Cambridge. Lovely day. Weather's going to be warm today. Just a bit further on from where we was last week. Just waiting for others to arrive. There's going to be a few turning up today. We've got a couple here from Cambridge Magnet Fishing and some more people up there. But we'll give this a go, see how we get on, and let's hope it's as good as last week.
I just covered it so it goes. And that's the last one to the plate, This is from some sort of giant shire horse. Yeah. You've got steering wheel. Do you know how many hours we've magnet fished there? I know.
That's what I said to him.
Vauxhall.
We've done it. Vauxhall.
Yeah, Vauxhall.
We spent hours there. That's 360 for you.
Energy absorbing.
Yeah, I thought that.
It's got to be an old one, isn't it?
There goes breakfast.
It's an old one. Yeah.
That'll be Stephen.
Yeah, I'll one. Good spot.
So on my first throw, I got an old Vauxhall steering wheel. See there, you can see. Vauxhall there, and it says energy absorbing. So I've got myself a steering wheel. Yeah, I've just got myself a spanner and a chrome nut. So I've got a set of keys and an energiser battery. So I've got a Mikado push bike. Remains of a push bike frame. So I've got a caravan plug. Now I've seen the light. Got myself a light. Bit of folded steel.
Oh. Let Nigel get his hook on.
Moving.
Look at the bubble.
Look at the bubbles down there.
It's like a jacuzzi.
It's got a bit of plug.
Don't get your rope in that slit.
No.
Still bubbling.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, massively.
more bods.
Move forward a bit, Nigel.
Yeah, seem to have got a bit close to you.
Does that? There she comes. Is your magnet moving?
Oh my god.
What the hell is that?
It's a massive sheet of steel. They got a widowmaker.
So sorry.
That starts of the day, eh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
Just watch your rope where it's
Yeah, I'm gonna use my other magnet. I'm not gonna.
It's also been joined now by Rughampton Raiders.
Hi guys.
There we go, another one for the Cambridge Magnet Fishing. See, a few more up there. Some more down here. I'm on magnet loan today. Look, here's my Evolution coming for a walk. There's my Beast Extreme down there. That's going for a walk.
If you have a half decent find early on, it's like that's going to be a good day.
I got a knife.
I cleared my box out, I had 11 knives in it.
I finally took that shotgun shell out. There we go, it's got my first knife for the day. Not much of that left. So I've got a fishing lure and a lighter. Some bling. There we go, look. Bit of a mixture Aaron keeps pulling up. And he found himself a bullet. Look. Nice.
Really doing finds their knives, I'm not sure. Definitely something electrical, isn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
There we go, something electrical. I'm not quite sure what it used to be, but... And a road lamp with no lenses in it.
And then...
Oh, and he's got himself a bit of railway track. There we go. Straighten the camera up a bit wonky. There we go. Bit of railway track, which someone wants to keep for an anvil. I've got that there. Not quite sure what it is, but some bit of random metal. And there we go, look. Steve's just thrown his magnet onto the bridge. Look, as you can see, look, he's on the bottom of the bridge. Come on then, Steve, get swinging. I tell you what, it's lucky no one walking across that, they would have dived off.
Find of the day. Oh, it's going to get thicker as it gets to the edge. It's going to hit me, innit? But mine don't hit the railing. Do you want me to try and catch it?
Oh. Oh, bolt. Oh, God's sake. Bloody bag of sand. Hey? No. No. It's complicated. Oh, God. Bag of bloody sand. No, a bit of metal was underneath it, wasn't it? I thought, oh, there's something big on here. Remains for a push bike. Not much left of that one. Yes, I've got a wheel and a lid off something. So, part of a lamp. It's like the burner. That was a great find by Aaron. And he's forking it today. And a wheel brace. I've got a lid off the stopcock. There you go. Remains of a tea light candle. Remains of a gas strut.
A bit more of your bike.
I've got handlebar fixings for a push bike.
There's some fishing down there where you were.
Yeah.
Got unfinished bullet business down there.
I won't hold it by the handle. I don't think it will last to the camera. There we go. Another one of the old road lanterns. God, you smell the paraffin in it. Right. Scaff pole, tube, metal thing, whatever you want to call it. Bit old pram wheel, bit of polish bar. Yeah. Oh, so I've got a speaker, sorry, a magnet off an old speaker. Set of keys with a bottle opener on it. Old jug handle. Bit of a sign, see 20 on there, that's about it. A torch taped to a piece of wood. Obviously useful for something. What? I don't know. So I've got an indigo watch. Another bike light. Some sort of caster wheel. D-lock. Loads of them, just like London. Leicester used to be like that. Old bolt. Remains of a hook. He's got another bike lock. Small bling. And that, not quite sure what it is. It's probably your holy grail, look. It's your cup. Oh, ever ready gold seal. Back in the day before the Energizers. Screwdriver. Old bike clip, your trousers. Gear lever for bike. Old square nail. An old dynamo from push bike. Old school. Up an old D-lock. Remains from push bike. Random bag of bolts and nuts and gate catches. So Aaron's found his second one of the day. There we go, another bullet. Okay, fair enough. Spooning it in now. Yeah, got a hole saw, a drill bit, some big well lid, and just rubbish. Got a pack of razor blades, so you get a bit more force on it. So Aaron's found half of a snooker cue with metal in it, but it is quite weighty at the back end.
Nigel?
Yeah.
Let's look at this road. And then if you think we'll get Steve. Looks like a rifle grenade, but a bit bigger. I'm wondering if it's another model.
Bring it up. Sure looks like one.
Yeah, he's doing it.
I'm running. Do you reckon it is?
Yeah, I would say so. We need Steve.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon, Nigel?
Yeah, I think so.
Them things are fucking vicious.
Yeah, it is. Look on the back here. See all the pineapple.
Believe ya.
This guy here Cambridge boys have just pulled up a rifle grenade, which I believe is not the first one from here. So yeah, we have a rifle grenade, so looks like this part is going to end quite quickly. As you can see on the back, you can see the pineappling on there. Definitely 100%, so things are going to slow down a bit now. The bike chain. Okay, got an old speaker. AJ's got a lantern. I believe Aaron found it. You're not going to take the glory for it? What do you got? You got a dirty ring.
I've got a dirty ring. And a
hook
thing.
And a knife. And a lure.
Stuff in it. I don't know what it is in it.
Where's that bucket?
Oh, he's got one. Okay, let's have a bucket.
How could you go there and bring water up that dirty?
Oh, it's got things in it.
You must have collected that from Birmingham.
Circuit boards.
Yeah. Neon lighting.
Nuclear warheads.
Could be in a toy car or something. Run by a budgie.
Flash PC Legend.
It's got those pie things, isn't it? Those little tiny computer things.
Gary probably know what they are. He's a whiz with computers.
There you go. You could be
Flash head power 240 volt PCB Legend part number.
That's a strange thing to find, isn't it?
That's Thor's hammer.
I think Gary's got the weirdest so far. Pulled out a leak.
Okay.
A little weird thing.
The lens is written in there.
Leak in the river.
Yeah. That's what he said.
There's all the components. Load of transistors.
Oh well. A random little bag.
That is strange.
So Aaron's just had a mystery bag, and in there's a bag of transistors and a load of neon lighting PCBs.
And obviously
He's on the lanterns again, look at that, his second one today of that type. So Rughampton Raiders just give me this little bottle cap, as you can notice with the logo, the resemblance. So Northants beer, try it. That's a wide old shovel, and it's only half it.
Yeah.
So Aaron's on the shovels, look at that big old fat thing. Not Aaron, the shovel. Drain cover or grate or something, you can see it's full of holes.
That's an ammo.
Ammo box, yeah. Oh, get me Evo. Get me Extreme on here. Yeah, it's probably got flipping rifle grenades in it.
yeah, I've got gloves. Yeah, sorry. Great. Similar. You just trying to win your own spanner.
I've got a crowbar if you want to open it.
Might need something to tap the lugs off. They're going to go that way, aren't they, them?
I've got a crowbar.
Get the crowbar, then we just ping that way,
Tap
don't
off,
they?
yeah.
That is awesome. Well done, guys.
You don't need a hammer, really.
You got that, you?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
No, it's full of 50s. It looks about the right size.
Come on, you.
And what did you do with your kids over the holidays?
Get game 50.
She's empty.
Empty one.
It's just mud.
Good.
No, it's not, because my glove leaks.
That looks like a 50 cal box. I'll have the box.
I knew you would.
I bet there's some here.
That's fine. That's cool. Yeah, I'll do
We'll come down there and fill it up in a minute, Steve.
With a grenade straight opposite you, so they might shut you down, yeah? How'd you get your hand out? You said I'm right down there. You know, that's where I had 16 out last week. What's your favourite part in the noise?
What's that?
Scooping sludge.
I prefer them when they got something in there, because you don't mind scooping it then.
Oh yeah.
Nah, it's empty. So I've just pulled up an ammo crate, look at that. Probably for 50 cals like all them others we found down there last week, but yeah, nice ammo crate. We've got a G-clamp and a biscuit tin lid. Aaron got a Grolsch bottle with a metal porcelain stopper, and I got myself another road lamp, look at that. It's got electric heater, probably not the best place for it. Had my first burner phone the other day. Some more bike chain, and AJ's got himself a fish. Come on, show him your fish. Nice. Remains of an old knife, bit that goes in the handle.
Yes, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We recognised it straight away, sort of thing.
Dad.
And they were like really heavy duty, probably magnetic anyway, that's why it's
I
stuck.
told you, he invented it.
Yeah.
Dad, you love me.
So, Aaron's found that. I believe it's part of like an old franking machine. You got like the different letters and numbers in there, and the base for the handle, and the cog. There we go. Now, a bit more of a push bike. Range for another push bike. Yep. Oh, AJ's got himself his first phone of the day. Dropped it first time, but Aaron found it the second time. It's a window, isn't it? Yeah. There you go, it's got an old window frame. It's got a little handle on it. And a hinge. And Aaron found that. It's like an old meat skewer. So Aaron found himself a little watch. There you go.
Nice, chuck it down.
Nicola, Aaron's got you a javelin. Double-ended as well, but we'll say no more about it. I'm bringing up this bike one bit at a time. And a pen. It's using this baby magnet that does it. Oh, I've got a bullet though. A blank.
Yeah.
Yeah. Things. There you go, I've got myself a bullet. It's a blank as well, so that's a keeper.
I know it's probably going to be a bit shitty, but that is a serious bit of kit.
God blimey.
Which it was built into something.
Like rack mount, isn't it? That's a telephone answer machine. Recordical. Yeah. Oh, blimey. So Aaron's just found this. Old tape deck, it says on that, Recordical. So whether or not it's an old answer machine, I don't know, but it's dripping all down my arm and it really stinks. Yeah, I found one as well. It's probably the other one to the pair, actually. There we go. And Aaron's found himself a bike clip as well. So we've got the pair now.
1 second.
So we've got another sign as well. So here comes Aaron with AJ's find. He's got the side of the canal.
So he's got the biggest find of the day, the heaviest, and now he's got the longest on the same pull.
So you've got a plate and a snake. That's a big old chunk of metal, that is.
No, does that have a spanner?
You want a spanner now?
Yeah, the big one.
Oh, I don't know, some close contenders for that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Or the gun. Well,
Here's the police. I bet we're going to get told to move on. So there we go. Another sign. So AJ, do a comparison, show the other one. So there's Aaron's bike clip, and he's also found one for Nicola. Look, it's a bit smaller. So Nicola, don't worry, when you're on your bike now, you won't get your trousers caught. There we go, so I've got another watch, like a digital one this time. An old one with the old winning flags on. So, this is Vinny from Peterborough, and he's just found himself either a Mark II Escort or Mark I Fiesta, lower dash panel with an under dash radio holder. There we go, and he found a good Castrol sign, and I'm not jealous at all. You can go now. PP3 battery. It's a screwing cap for something.
Yeah.
I've got myself a pair of garn shears. Murder weapon, that. And Aaron got a screwing cap for something.
Can
Right.
I get you to come forward so you're in front of your... I want to get this in here.
Right, okay.
That's good. Just looking towards me. Alright. That's good. Excellent. Yeah, get that up. Right, give me a second. Right, now I'm going to come in a bit tighter.
Oh God,
Get
show
your
me,
magnet
show me
up
wrinkles.
here. No.
Photoshop.
That's good. Stay where you are. I'm going to do it. I want you looking at the camera. That's brilliant. Hold on, mate. Right, and we'll get you two lads over here. You come and stand over there. So get AJ nearer the side there.
Don't push him in. Go in front of an old bike like it.
That could get you some followers, couldn't it?
Hey?
That could get you some followers.
Yeah. Flipping hell's that? It's brass. Look at this bit of a bomb. That's what I thought. Oh, I've just found that. As you can see, it's brass. Like alley with threads on it, not quite sure. Gonna go and have a word with Rusty and see if he knows. Keep it on camera, mate.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll get brain food.
Hey? Where? No, I left him up there. Don't know, it's brass and that, so.
Over there at the moment, it is, so.
Yeah, somebody said that.
Which Nigel found.
Don't know, but it's brass.
That's a fuse. That's a bomb fuse.
Is it?
Yeah. Don't drop it. That bit you can keep. That bit. Hang on, where's my gloves?
It's empty.
That's a keeper. that's a timer.
Yeah, I've got
Timer
that out
fuse.
down there
Is
at the
it?
moment.
Yeah, I've got one at home.
That's empty, isn't it?
No, I think you're right.
It looks it, yeah. These are the bits that are iffy though. But I think that. Let me get my gloves. I think that's the keeper. Yeah, this is all your timing mechanism and altitude.
Oh, so the safety cap's off it. That would normally have a cap on it.
Yeah, it'd have the percussion cap on. It's a little bit bigger than an 18-pounder. It's round about a 20-pounder.
Look, you see there.
Yeah.
So when you turn it, it clicks on them bits.
That's right, yeah.
It could be like the one we got in Birmingham, where we shut the train.
Who said I hadn't found nothing?
Jammy sod.
Yeah, Nigel, you should win the spanner.
That's,
You've got to keep that spanner now.
that's one of the best finds of the day so far.
Oh, good, I'll keep my spanner. Bit of an old hinge. Right, so now he's found an old boat fireplace. There we go. Strange things that are coming out of here.
I just want to try and, I don't know, probably 20 minutes, half hour.
Yeah. There we go. Aaron's got another shovel. Second one of the day.
Quite lever on there, gear lever. AJ found.
And a gear lever off a push bike. Thought he'd got a stick and when I saw the pineapple shape coming up.
Oh, cash box.
And a bottle tag. Hey?
We get sponsored by Ariel.
So I just got myself a cash box. Nothing in it unfortunately, but
I haven't seen one of them for at least 10 minutes.
no. There we go, and another road lantern.
There's that many of them and they're just all for bits. AJ, you're keeping AJ busy because he keeps stripping all the lenses out of them. Hello Sarge, how are you doing? Oh dear. Oh, hang on a minute. Yes it is. It is, it's another one.
No, it's only a magnet.
Hang on, let me check. Yeah, it is. Why is it double-ended though?
I don't know, you tell me.
Sorry guys, I'm just dealing with something here, we're not sure. It's got that patination. It shouldn't be double-ended though.
No, and they're screwing. There's a finger, look, grip.
I will go and see them boys over there and see what they have to say with that.
Oh, no.
Sorry about that guys. Right time, one moment.
Oh, I need a bucket.
Take these JD, they're all falling to bits.
AJ, come on out the way.
Move out the way of it, yeah.
AJ, right out of the way. Right, do you want to show it?
Hey.
Do you want to show it?
So Aaron's just pulled up this. It does have the pineapple effect on there, so we're going to get that in the bucket and get it out of it pretty quick. Not quite sure what it is, but we're not going to take the chance. We're going to go and get it checked out. You want a live one?
Got a live one. Oh, look, another one.
That's a surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, we've not seen one of them for about 2 minutes. There you go.
It's another one.
Nigel's just pulled the road lantern up. AJ will be on that shortly, ripping all the lenses out of them.
And a speedo.
Right. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Don't forget to check out Nada's live at 4 o'clock. Part 1 of some of these videos will be out
There we go.
next week, I think.
Another lantern. What a surprise.
This week.
This week. Yeah, there we go. Another road lantern. It's about the 5th one now.
Could be one in the chamber, mine, but
So there we go. It may be Steve's hand, but not Steve's find. It's trouble just there. You remember him from earlier? He lost a bucket, but now he's gone to find out. What do you reckon, little brother?
I want to fish here.
it could be, or it could be a browning.
Yeah, after that grenade, I think other things were browning earlier. But there we go.
It's a longer handle. It could be a
pun, does it?
It could be a browning, that
The
one.
Cambridge boy does it again. Nice find. There he is, look. Double trouble, look.
Not me.
No, double trouble, these two.
I know. They're going to set their own channel up, these two.
What, OnlyFans?
How to shut cities and make friends. Hang on, let's have a look at it.
Right. I'll leave them to it. AJ swinging some keys. Security keys.
Is it?
It's always good to wind him up. There goes, got an old brake lever and my second knife of the day. That's unusual, number 6. It's alright, isn't it? There we go, so I've got the flame piece out of one of those road lamps. There you go. Alright, there we go, so Aaron's got himself a push bike, you see, it's mains powered, 240 volt. There we go.
The truth, it was AJ.
I think you need to get a longer extension lead, mate.
Short distance. It's only got 3 gears.
It's only-
Half an handlebar and all.
These are getting really boring now. Number 8.
See the handle camera.
There we go. AJ's got himself a new toothbrush. Nice wide brush. There we go, it's got a couple of old padlocks. An old bike light and a brush head. Got an old dial, not quite sure what, can't read anything on there. I've got a bottle thing, security tag. Another key and the top off a road lantern. Yeah, give me a minute. Right, another bike lock and a fishing lure and a bike light. So we've got an oar thing, I think, off the side of the boat for the oar, and we've got a water pipe fitting or a gas pipe fitting. Pair of side cutters and a padlock. Side cutters actually work for a change. Close peg and a Harley Davidson lighter, half of one. Couple more bullets. Oh. There we go. So we've got a couple more bullets. Go, 1.5. And a can of dog food. Right, there we go then. So you've got the best one of the day with that saying that gun, which was really good because it's US Air Force only. So you can have the 30k subscriber play button. Brilliant. That is a spanner from Camden, painted up by John Dubber. And that was me 30,000k. And I said next time I'll have a bit of a meet. Whoever gets best find can have it. There you go, guys.
Well, Chuff, thank you, Nigel. Thank you very much.
Well done, Mark.
Yeah, that is heavy. And thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Nigel. And what can I say? I'm well chuffed. Over the moon.
Plug your own channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Rughampton Raiders. I've got my own channel then.
Draw the line somewhere. You're welcome, no worries.
Cheers, buddy.
There you go, got myself a speaker. Flaming chain. He's got a file. I won't say what it's called. Hey?
Is it
That's Bud. Yeah. He's got himself a bottle of Budweiser. Now is he brave enough to drink it? That was another complete land until it went on the floor and it just obliterated.
How bizarre.
So there we go. Another road lantern. These are getting really boring now. And Aaron got a piston with the gudgeon pin in, and that's what he picked up on. So yeah, you see the rings around the top, but a piston. And guess what? Aaron found another one. Oh, that's a surprise. The last time it should. And go managed for a push bike frame. There we've got D-lock, ever ready bike lamp, bit of a later one. Gas burner out the road lamp, a caliper, not much left of that one. A Gillette razor, a dog lead, and a bungee strap. And a pedal, very old one. These 7.62s and 4 7.62 bullets. There we go. Down there.
I found that on Rusty's magnet, so Rusty's shown it as well.
Right, Aaron did find this, but Rusty stole the glory because it was his magnet. So, but anyway, there we go.
Because Rusty's such a nice guy, he's giving it to AJ.
Part of an old revolver, look at that. It's probably because he's got 100 of them already. And there we go, we've got a scaffold clamp. There we go, but he's got a magazine from a Sten gun. Well done. Right, another fantastic day out in Cambridge. A few bangs and booms, but a normal day now, isn't it? So, good meeting up with these lot. There you go, there's Sweepy Nuts just down there, look. Then we've got the Cambridge boys, got Viddy, we've got Graham hiding over there. Look, there's another one, they're all hiding. Some very tanned over there. But no, another good day, we had some good finds, interesting ones. Congratulations to the Rughampton Raiders for winning the best find of the day. And that's it, we will catch you all again on Friday.